So guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and as we all know, Shericka Jackson is expected to race at the first diamond link that will be happening in China. Now I will be providing you guys with a very quick update about the current situation of Shericka Jackson concerning the race that will be happening in China. Now, in case this happens to be your first time here on this YouTube channel, do me a favor to make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So Shericka Jackson was announced and listed among the athletes that will be participating in the 200 meters in Diamond League China, with Shakara Richardson, Twashini Terry, Tamara Clark, and Mojinga Kambunji, and other top athletes in China. But unfortunately, it is so sad to say that Shericka Jackson has now withdrawn from the diamond link that will be happening, and it's a chance for Shericka Jackson to clash with Shakara Richardson. I remember earlier on that we were hyping the 200-meter race that was about to happen in China Diamond League, but now as the situation is, it is sad to see that Shericka Jackson will not be able to attend this very diamond link race that will take place in China, and this has created a lot of argument, and a lot of people are not happy with the fact that Shericka Jackson has been withdrawing from so many races in 2024, and it looks like this is getting out of control. I mean, this is no longer abnormal. She does not just miss one race in 2024. We are talking about I think four different races in 2024. Yes, Shericka Jackson has now missed over 4 different races in 2024, and a lot of people are feeling like she is up to something. She is cooking something that she doesn't want the world to know about. That is why she is missing these races. Whatever it is, only Shericka Jackson herself will know the reason behind why she is not attending all these races. Maybe, just maybe, she is targeting the Paris Olympic. Maybe that is her top aim for 2024 season. Who knows? Now, Shakara Richardson will be the only top athlete that will be probably present in the Diamond League in China, but we don't know what Shakari's response might be. Maybe she is also going to miss this race. Who knows? Because recently, last week at the Thomson Memorial, both Shericka and Shakari missed the race, so it might be another coincidence this time around in the Diamond League in China. Anyway guys, let me hear your opinions about Shericka Jackson missing this race in the first Diamond League of 2024. Let me hear your opinions.